welcome, family and friends. We've gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the union of two hearts and two lives. And today we witness the joining together of Aidan and Mitchell into marriage. Mitchell, have you come here today to take vows to Aidan before these family members and beloved friends? And do you promise to uphold these vows in all that you do and all that you are? If so, please reply, I do.
I do.
And Aidan, have you come here today to take vows to Mitchell before these family members and beloved friends? And do you promise to uphold these vows in all that you'll do and all that you are? If so, please reply, I do.
I do.
To Aidan and Mitchell, and love and forever.
Yes. Healthy, happy marriage.
And I'd like to add daughter-in-law.
And Aidan and Mitchell's love story is one that reminds us how often love has perfect timing. They first met as children in elementary school in Carlsbad. Their paths crossed quite early, but the chapters that followed would lead them in different directions. Mitchell, you moved to Georgia for a time, and years later, Mitchell and Aidan both returned to San Diego. And as life would have it, they ran into each other unexpectedly out one evening, and something just clicked.
So I would always, growing up would be curious of who she would end up with. She's so sweet and kind and fun and selfless. But I could not imagine someone more perfect for my sister than Mitchell. Mitchell, you amplify but also reflect the most special parts of her. You bring out the best in her, and I have to assume she does the same for you because you are genuinely a stand-up, good person. And it's hard to imagine that you have a better version out there. I already have an ultimate big brother, but I'm grateful to officially gain another one. And I say officially because I've known for years I can always count on you the way that I can count on Aidan. Thank you for including me on this very special day. It's been an honor to see you two become a family, and I have a very good feeling about what's to come.
We can float along the water from the rivers to the sea, go and drift away with the tide. We could sweat all through the summer and the winter we could freeze. I'll be there through it all at your side. So go on, lead the way, I won't be far behind.
Aidan, honey, from the day one, you've been nothing but joy. You've always been a good girl, never in trouble. It's just so easy to be your dad, so loving, and I think that's why we have such a good relationship. As you grow, honey, I know you will be a wonderful wife and a beautiful mom. I can't imagine. I can't wait to see that. Okay, I love you so much.
Anywhere you're going to school, I'll be right next to you. I'm excited for a future.
Today, family and friends, they stand before you, ready to commit themselves to their future, hand in hand. And marriage is a promise. It's a vow to support and to cherish one another, to build a life together rooted in mutual respect, love, and a deep commitment. as you have declared yourself and your love and commitment to another, and you have sealed those promises with the exchange of vows and rings, it is a great joy that I may now pronounce you to be married. Mitchell, you may kiss the bride.
Mitchell had the benefit in our house of being the youngest because he was born to way more mature parents than his older brothers. And there was a running joke in our house that Mitchell was the chosen one. Okay? But we could not be happier today and more proud that Aidan decided he was the chosen one. We welcome you, Aidan, to our family. We welcome your entire family to our family. Saeed, Leanne, you raised an absolutely amazing daughter.
I spent trying to stand so tall, feeling like a kid. I know there's no.
So as you guys go through this wonderful gift from God we call marriage, and you move your way down the line, don't worry about the house or the cars or anything like that. It's about the small stuff, holding each other's hands, recognizing when one of you had a difficult day, and looking into each other's eyes and remembering what it was that made you fall in love to begin with. So if everybody could raise a glass to two of our most favorite people in the world, Mitchell and Aidan Benson.